Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini app. First, ensure you have the Gemini app installed on your mobile device, available on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, simply open the application and sign in using your existing Google account credentials. This seamless integration allows for quick access to all of Gemini's powerful features. Take a moment to explore the clean, intuitive chat interface, which is designed for easy navigation and interaction. Interacting with Gemini is straightforward and intuitive. To begin, simply type your question or prompt into the designated text box at the bottom of the screen. Remember, using clear and specific language helps Gemini understand your intent better, leading to more accurate and helpful responses. Once you've crafted your message, tap the Send button, typically represented by a paper airplane icon, to submit your query and receive an instant reply from the AI. Gemini offers several powerful features to enhance your experience. You can use the microphone icon for convenient voice input, allowing you to speak your prompts instead of typing. Additionally, upload images directly from your gallery for Gemini to analyze and provide context or information about. All your previous conversations are easily accessible through the History menu, enabling you to revisit or continue discussions at any time, ensuring continuity and convenience. To get the most out of your Gemini app experience, consider these helpful tips. For complex requests, try breaking them down into smaller, more manageable questions to receive focused and detailed answers. Don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasing or keywords. This can often yield a wider range of insightful responses. Finally, remember to provide feedback on Gemini's answers, as your input is invaluable for continuously improving its accuracy and helpfulness for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.